ourselves to you. We are a set of accountancy students. And I am Element Shikaina.
I am Element Jem.
I am Element Angel.
Element Kyle.
I am Element Zaira.
I am Element Vika.
And I am Element Vera.
And we're going to talk about mathematics in the modern world. Give me one word that is related to math. Angle, fractions.
Measurement.
Shape.
Numbers.
Operations.
Plus.
Minus.
Multiply. Divide. Equals. Don't you know that math isn't just about angles, fractions, numbers, operations, and measurements, but math is all around us. Mathematics is also associated with nature. And of course, it helps us to understand the patterns and regularities in this world. Again, another question. So what is pattern?
Pattern is the regularity in the world, in human-made design, and in abstract ideas. As such, the elements of a pattern repeat in a predictable manner. One example of pattern is symmetry. Symmetry is the beautiful and harmonious proportion and balance of things. For two things to be symmetrical, they must be the same size and shape, with one having a different orientation with the first. Like this window, it is symmetrical. There are various operations of symmetry, which are translation, reflection, light reflection, and rotation.
Reflection. Reflection is also known as line symmetry and mirror symmetry. It is a type of mathematical transformation of an object that results in its mirror image. The reflected image possesses the same dimension as the original, including the length and its angle measures. An example is this structure.
Rotational symmetry is also known as radial symmetry in the world of biology. It is the characteristics of a shape has when it looks the same after a rotation. So guys, this is an example of order 10 rotation. It has the rotocenters, and this is the rotation. This is also an example of rotation. It is an order 5.
Its angle. The only thing that changes is its location. The common example for this is this one. As you can see, it doesn't change in size, in form, and in shape. The only thing that changes is its location.
A glide reflection is a composition of transformations. In a glide reflection, a translation is first performed, then it is reflected over a line. One example of this is the formation of this bird. The second kind of patterns is the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is the list of ordered natural numbers. The first two numbers are equal to 1 and the succeeding numbers are the sum of two consecutive numbers immediately preceding them.
Fractals are some of the most beautiful and most bizarre geometrical shapes. These are objects in which the same patterns occur again and again at different scales and different sizes. One example of this is a Rubik's Cube.
Spirals are common patterns in nature which we see more often in living things. They are curves which emanate from one point, moving farther away as it revolves around the point.
And now we're done with the different patterns. So, right now we're going to tackle about the 4 basic concepts of mathematics. So first, let's go with sets.
Settled ba?
Set of motion.
Question: what would be the intersection of set A to the angel and set B? Answer: the answer would be ta-da! The elements sweatshirt.
Human beings use diverse methods of communicating with others. Through language, we are able to understand and express our own feelings and ideas. Analogous to the English language is a system used by mathematicians to communicate mathematical ideas among themselves. This is known as the language of mathematics or simply mathematical language. Mathematical language uses symbols that are necessary in formulating mathematical equations and describing mathematical relations and other properties.
So there you have it, guys. We have discussed mathematics in the modern world. So always remember that we cannot live without mathematics!